welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, nakikita nyo naman, ang ating tubig is already boiling. So, we need to add some ingredient, yung ating yung tofu. Meron po tayo dito is fish ball, red chili, and butter goat, and tofu, and red bell pepper. Ang fili po ng ating yang tofu ay wala ang iba kundi ang fish paste. So, ilalagay po lang po natin ang lahat ng ingredient sa ating kawali, ang ating wok. So, started boiling again. Then, i-add na po natin ating main ingredient. Walang iba kundi ang ating bihon. So, ang ating luto po today is ang yang tofu with bihon soup. Kasi maulan dito sa Singapore. So, I make bihon soup with yang tofu. Chinese soup. So, ayan, in 5 minutes, papakuluin lang po natin, 5 minutes of boiling water. So, ayan. So, ready to eat na. So, just only 5 minutes. Then, meron ka ng yang tofu with bihon soup. Ayan. So, that's all for today, guys. Ang ating video for today. Ang ating yang tofu with bihon Chinese soup. So, ayan naman. As I said, ayan po red chili, bitter goat, and tofu. At ang ating fish paste. Yung pong filling niya. So, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button. So, thank you once again and bye for now.